Hi guys, this is Sujata Chavan, consulting nutritionist. Today I am going to talk about how to reduce belly fat. Let's start. Belly fat is nothing but visceral fat, which is very much stubborn. Fat starts coming on your belly in your 30s, late 30s or in 40s. The reason behind the accumulation of visceral fat is slow metabolism, intake of sugary, fatty, fried food, some mistakes in lifestyle. For example, late night dinner or sleeping late at night, not taking enough sleep, taking too much stress, etc. Actually, visceral fat is good as it protects our internal organs. But when it is too much, it may cause metabolic disorders like hypertension, heart disease, diabetes. Even in some times, it may cause some types of cancers. Only exercises like sit-ups, crunches, cardio won't help you to reduce your belly fat. Your current health goal may be any, like you want to maintain your weight, you want to reduce the belly fat, or you want to reduce your overall weight. But the role of diet and exercise is 80:20. Remember that diet plays a major role, that is 80% to achieve your current health goal. So what dietary changes you can do to reduce that stubborn belly fat? Hack number 1 is avoid sugar and all sugary drinks. You have to avoid all types of sugars. It may be table sugar, it may be jaggery, it may be honey, and even it will include the lactose, that is milk sugar, and fructose, that is fruit sugar. So all those sugars are the siblings of each other. If you want to reduce your belly fat, you have to avoid all types of sugars from your diet. Number 2, you have to eat fewer carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are nothing but the grain atoms from your diet. The grain atoms are roti or chapati or rice. Carbohydrate has a limited role. What you have to reduce, the portion size or number of your chapatis or rotis or the quantity of rice you have to reduce from your meals. Third point, when you are reducing your carbohydrates, you have to increase your protein intake, because protein plays a very important role in your health. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Our muscle health completely depend on proteins. Make sure you include proteins in your each meal, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Third point, increase your fiber intake. The requirement of fiber for an adult is 30 to 40 grams of fiber per day. When we reduce the carbohydrate, at that time it gives us filling effect and it gives us backup till the next meal. So in fiber, you can increase the quantity of vegetables and vegetable salad in your meal plate. Fourth point is about your dinner time. So try to have your dinner before 7 p.m. It will help to reduce water retention and bloating. If it is possible, for some days try intermittent fasting, in which there is a restricted eating in 16:8 window. 16 hours is your fasting window and 8 hours is your eating window, in which you have to take only 2 meals, and in those 2 meals you have to put a gap of minimum 8 hours. It will definitely help you to reduce the belly fat as well as to reduce your weight. But make sure that in intermittent fasting you have to include your proteins in your both the meals. Next point is about your sleep. Try to take 7 to 8 hours a good quality sleep, so that in that period your body will be recovered. Again, it will support your belly fat reduction. Last but not the least, it is about exercises. As I said earlier, that 20% role is played by your activity or your exercise. When all the dietary changes are accompanied with exercises, it will give you a miraculous result to reduce the belly fat. So which exercises you can do? Number 1, sit-ups. Number 2, bicycle crunches or cross crunches. Number 3, burpees. And number 4, forearm plank. Those exercises will additionally support your belly fat reduction process. So this was about belly fat reduction hacks. I hope you like this video. To get such videos on important topics related to diet and health, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.